Every year, over 100 million home medical devices are manufactured worldwide. But have you ever wondered, how does pulse oximeter monitor go from a bare circuit board to a product that millions of people trust with their health? Today, we're opening the factory doors. Raw materials go in. Certified medical devices come out. Let's walk through every single step. The first step in manufacturing isn't production. It's inspection. Before any material touches our production line, it has to pass IQC, incoming quality control. Pressure sensors, LCD displays, medical-grade silicone cuffs, ABS plastic housings. Every component, every batch, checked and verified. We audit every supplier. We test every incoming shipment. Because in medical device manufacturing, if you cut corners at the start, everything that follows is built on a weak foundation. Only materials that pass inspection move forward. This is the brain of every device, the PCB, the printed circuit board. Our fully automated SMT line completes the board in 3 stages. Stage 1, solder paste printing. A precision stencil applies solder paste to every pad on the bare board. Stage 2, pick and place. Our high-speed machine places components onto the board at hundreds of parts per minute with a positioning accuracy of 0.05 millimeters. Stage 3, reflow soldering. The board travels through a reflow oven. The solder paste melts and forms permanent electrical connections. After soldering, every single board goes through our automated optical inspection. Cameras scan every solder joint and every component, detecting defects that are completely invisible to the human eye. Our SMT yield rate, over 99.5%. That's not a target we're chasing. That's the floor we operate at. Board approved, now we build the complete device. Our assembly line runs through 6 stations in strict sequence. Station 1, mechanical assembly. The circuit board is fitted into the housing. Every screw is tightened with a torque-controlled driver to exact specification. Station 2, component integration. Sensors, air pumps, buttons, and connectors are all installed and secured. Station 3, firmware flashing. Every unit receives the same verified software version. No exceptions, no variations. Station 4, calibration. For a blood pressure monitor, this step is everything. Each device is calibrated against a certified reference standard. The calibration data is written directly into the device's memory, permanently traceable. Station 5, functional testing. Does it inflate correctly? Are the readings accurate? Does the display work? Do all the buttons respond? Station 6, burn-in test. Selected products run continuously for 24 hours to catch any early life failures before they ever reach a customer. If a device fails any station, it stops there. It does not move forward. It does not ship. We don't just test whether a device works. We test whether it will keep working for years. Drop test, 1 meter. Dropped from multiple angles. Temperature cycling, -20 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius. Repeated cycles. Humidity test, 95% relative humidity for 48 continuous hours. Button endurance, 10,000 presses. Cuff inflation and deflation cycles, 5,000 cycles. Blood pressure accuracy target, within plus or minus 3 mmDAM. Pulse oximeter accuracy target, SPO2, within plus or minus 2%. Every test result is recorded. Every device has a fully traceable quality file. This is what ISO 13485, FDA, and CE certification demand, and it's what end users deserve. Every device that passes testing moves into packaging. Each box is packed with the device, a multi-language user manual, a quick start guide, all accessories, a warranty card, and a calibration certificate. But packaging isn't the last step. Before any batch leaves our facility, it goes through Outgoing Quality Control. Random samples are pulled from every batch. We check, is the right product in the box? Are all accessories included? Does the manual match the device? Is the label accurate? Is the packaging intact? Only after OK sign-off does the shipment get released. Our OK pass rate? Over 99.8%. Every device that walks out of this building, we stand behind it. Let's talk certifications. In the medical device industry, this is non-negotiable. Our certifications include ISO 13485, the International Quality Management Standard for Medical Devices, FDA registration, market access for the United States, CE marking under MDR compliance for the European market, ENPA registration for the Chinese domestic market, TGA market access for Australia, MedSAP, the Medical Device Single Audit Program, for brands looking for an OEM manufacturing partner. This is what these certifications mean in practice. Your products meet international quality standards from day one. You can sell in the world's major markets. Regulatory submissions are faster and smoother. Your brand reputation is backed by real compliance infrastructure. We handle the compliance side. You focus on building your brand. That's the complete journey from raw material to certified, ready to ship medical device. Every step has a standard. Every step has documentation. Every device is tested. If you're a brand looking for a reliable OEM partner, one that handles manufacturing, quality control, and global certification under one roof, the link is in the description. Let's talk. If you found this video useful, hit subscribe. We'll keep sharing real behind-the-scenes content on medical device manufacturing and quality standards. See you next time.